So how long will it take you to make the first sale if you start dropshipping on eBay today? You know, in the past videos, I've been talking a lot about how eBay dropshipping is the least risky business model out of all of the possible business models out there, at least of dropshipping, because you don't have to invest in inventory. And more importantly, you don't have to invest in traffic. On Shopify, you would have to advertise, and this is money that you may never see again. If you do Amazon FBA, you will have to buy inventory, and this is, if you don't sell it, it's money that you will never see again. And on eBay, while you need a small investment, which I'll talk about the costs of starting a dropshipping business on eBay in another video, but the investment is so small that together with what you're going to see today, which is how quickly you can get results, I think is a winning business model. I mean, it makes it a winning business model. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to show you what people think, what other people, not just me, are saying about how long it takes you to make a sale. I even interviewed a guy for you, and I'll show you in a second. And then I'm going to talk to you about how you as well can start dropshipping today and hopefully make that quick results. But before we getting started, please consider subscribing to this channel and click the like button. It should be over there or over there. Go look for it right now and click on that like button. It helps promoting us on YouTube. And let's get started. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and I want to show you a poll that I made on our Facebook group. Sorry, let me open it. A poll that I made, and I literally made it apparently 2 hours ago. I thought it's 1 hour. So I made it 2 hours ago on our Facebook group. And I asked, how long did it take you to make your first sale on eBay? And while I only got 10 votes in 2 hours, which statistically speaking, you might say that it's not enough, the answer is so clear. We have 9 votes for people that says less than 7 days, and 1 vote for someone that says 7 to 30 days, and then 0 votes to people that says they took them more than 30 days, that I think that it gives a quite clear answer on how long does it take. And I kept saying it all the time. I keep saying it in all my videos. You can start really quickly with dropshipping on eBay. And that's one of the most unique things about this business model and the advantage of this business model. But it wasn't enough for me. I said, I want to prove it further to you. So I decided to contact one of the people. I decided to contact Albert, one of the people who voted that they made their first sale in less than 7 days, and to ask him about his story. So we're going to move to his story, and then we're going to jump back to me, where I will show you how you can start your own dropshipping, your own business of dropshipping on eBay today, within a few hours. So Albert, tell me, I saw that you voted less than 7 days, right, in the poll in DSM Tool. Tell me a little bit the story of how you started.
Well, I started in DSM Tool and dropshipping probably 2 years ago. I started to look in the web how to make money online. And I heard that one of the simplest ways to make money online was with dropshipping, and it didn't have too much of investment. So one of the tools that someone recommended was DSM Tool. I started using a DSM Tool, and it was very easy for me because it was very user friendly.
Right.
And yes.
Before you started using DSM, you had to also set up an eBay account and a PayPal account and find products to sell. And where did you learn all of that? How did you learn all of this?
Well, I bought a course, David Wu course. It cost $10. That's how I started. So I learned just the basics. When I learned the basics, I started seeing Mark Agustin on YouTube. So I learned a lot of things from him. And then,
by the way, Mark Agustin, we do a lot of videos together. Mark has actually, when you started dropshipping, Mark is the person who invented the word sniping, which is the technique that we're using. He didn't invent the technique, but he at least named it. we're
Yeah.
using, and that I show beginners also how to find products. I'm going to
Yes.
do it in the end of this video that is being recorded right now that you're part of. I'm going
Okay.
to also talk about it as well. Cool.
Okay. Good. 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 Yeah. I started with him learning how to snipe.
Mhm.
I used his. I learned his method,
Mhm.
but I switched some things that I learned over the during the period that I was learning. So I did it kind of like a sniping, and he was using a tool. He had his own software.
Mhm. Yeah, it
So what
doesn't
I did,
exist anymore.
that doesn't exist anymore. Yes. After that, uh, I started using DMS tool.
Right. So I
So
have a
yeah,
question
I
for you.
could.
Setting up an eBay account, right? And including all of the settings and a PayPal account and all,
Yes.
how long does it take? That's the question. How
Um,
you open it right now? How long will it take you from the
yeah.
moment that you decide I want a complete, let's say that you're a complete beginner, and you say, I want to open an eBay account, set it up, open a PayPal account, set it up, and snipe one product, the first product that I want
Oh
to snipe.
no, it can take probably like minutes. I mean, it would take probably
I
like
would say, yeah, I say to the
1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, two, with no distractions. Yeah, yeah.
So what happened? How did that sale came? Do you remember that? It was 2 years ago, but maybe you remember. What did you
Yes.
list the first item and that's the item that sold, or did you have to list a couple of items and remove those that didn't work and then you made a sale?
Well, I started sniping, right? I started listing, not even worried about if I was gonna make a sale. I just wanted to know if it was really going to work. I just remember I just happened after 2 days of listing, but I had like 40 to 20 products. Yeah, but I was not thinking about if it was going to come a sale or not. I was just listing. I was not even worried if something got sold or nothing. It just happened over 2 3 days, I believe. Yeah.
Awesome, amazing.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you for sharing that story with us, uh,
Yes.
and thank you for being part of the dropshipping community on Facebook.
Oh no, and one of the things that I can say is that DMS2 is very user friendly. Um, it's a very easy tool. Support is great. It in like in any business, there's up and downs, you know.
Mhm.
But basically, it's very worth it, I can say.
Awesome. Thank you for saying that.
Yeah.
So I hope that now you really believe that you can make your first sale within a couple of days. I want to show you how you can do that. And in order to get started and actually get it, the first thing that you're going to need is an eBay account, uh, which you can sign up to eBay, but I'm going to show you a guide on everything on that. So you can actually start with a DSM Tool account. Just go to dsmtool.com and sign up, join for free. And the first thing that you're going to be offered, you are also going to be offered with my course, which you can get together with the software for a special deal. But you know what? I'm going to show you how you can start completely for free. I highly recommend to take the course, but if you don't want to, no problem. You will get automatically to your email, but I'm also showing you here, and it's also going to be in the description below. You will get this free checklist, the 5 steps configuration checklist for day 1, and it will take you through everything that you need to do in order to set up all the accounts that you need. And you heard how much time Albert said it takes. I wrote here it takes 2 to 3 hours. This is the time that I suggest you to clear in your schedule. So you will start by signing up to eBay and PayPal. There is also another option called eBay Managed Payments. I talk about it in the article. So click there, read the guide, follow it step by step, and you got your accounts. Then you will set up your new DSM Tool account. It literally takes a couple of minutes. So the article will guide you through it. Step number 3 is recommended settings that you will set up in your eBay store in order to optimize it for the dropshipping model. So I collected for you all of the settings that you need one by one, step by step. It will take you through them. And then you will almost be ready to start dropshipping. The next step would be if you dropship, usually you dropship from one website onto eBay. So what I'm going to recommend you to do is to dropship from AliExpress to eBay. I think this is by far the best website to source products from, the best supplier for you as a dropshipping beginner, definitely in your first days. So there is a complete guide about how to optimize your eBay store with something that is called business policies for AliExpress dropshipping, and then how to optimize your DSM Tool account configuration and settings also for working with AliExpress dropshipping. So you will find here, and there is also an extra article which is about all of the features that you have to set up in DSM Tool in order to increase your performance. I call it to 10x your performance, because these are all kind of automation tools. And that's it. You go through all of these and your account, you're basically ready to start dropshipping. The only thing that you're missing are products. You need what to sell. So the two options that you have is either to subscribe to this channel, because every Monday Enrique from our team is doing a live session and he's giving away products. He's literally giving you products that you can dropship, that are profitable products, but he's giving them publicly. So if you want, you can take them, you can try to sell them, and you can also, I'll link it in the description below. You can also go to our blog at blog.dsmtool.com. You can search here AliExpress, and then you will get to this exact same article that I'm showing here. But this is usually the first article that pops up, how to dropship on eBay from AliExpress. It goes through a lot of the technicalities that you already did, so I'm going to save you a lot of time. I highly recommend to read all of it. It explains a lot about how to start dropshipping from AliExpress, but you can also skip a little bit of it and go immediately to, you see, here are the chapters. It's a 7,500 words article. It's quite long, but you can skip most of it and go immediately to how to find products for dropshipping from AliExpress. And I explained there. So Albert talked about a technique called sniping. I'm showing you here step by step, just button after button, how to do sniping for yourself so that you could start as well. And as I said, by following this setup, this completely simple setup, and this sniping method, and maybe taking some of the products from our live sessions, you can start your dropshipping business on eBay today. So I'm waiting to hear from you in the comments below. How long did it take you to make your first sale? See you in the next video.